Hi, hello, ma'am and sir. I am Mariam D. Guzman, 49 years old. I am married and blessed with three sons and one daughter. I have three sisters and I am the elder among four. My father is a farmer and my mother is already deceased when I was second year college. I finished my degree and here in Manila. I took a Bachelor of Science in Criminology and I also finished my caregiving course. I worked as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 1.5 months. I break my contract. The reason is my co-helper. I choose to step down rather to make trouble or fight for her. My main duties is doing a household chores, do car washing, 5 cars in once a week, and then go to the market, cooking, preparing foods for the four kids, and took the two dogs. I also work here in the hospital in Manila for 2 years as a nursing aide. And I also serve my duties in other private family. If you choose me, mom and sir, as your helper, I promise that I will do my best and willing to improve and learn my skills that need to improve. Happy to see you, dear mom and sir. God bless. Hi, hello, bye bye.